this video I will reveal to you 5 passive income streams that actually works. No talking required. If you want to start making money with income streams which are tried and true, keep watching. Let's have a real conversation for a second. You've probably heard the phrase passive income 100 times by now. Everyone online makes it sound like you'll be making money while sipping coffee on the beach. And while that's not totally false, it's also not the full story. The truth is, passive income is real, but only if you build it the smart way. And yes, there are ways to earn consistently without ever needing to talk on camera, speak to clients, or be the face of anything. So if you're introverted, camera shy, too busy, or just prefer staying behind the scenes, this is for you. Before we dive in, do me this one favor. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through as a thank you to me for sharing with you this valuable information. Let me walk you through 5 passive income streams that is actually working, and that requires zero talking. 1. Print-on-demand stores with AI-generated designs. If you've got even a touch of creativity, or you're willing to let AI help you out, this can be your sweet spot. What it is: you create custom t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, notebooks, or digital art that customers can buy. But here's the kicker: you don't hold inventory, do shipping, or handle customers. You upload designs to platforms like Printify, Printful, Redbubble, TeePublic. When someone buys your design, the platform handles the rest. You collect the profit. No talking needed. No warehouse. No customer service. Just smart product listings and compelling designs. Pro tip: use tools like Midjourney or Canva to create eye-catching visuals. Pair them with AI tools like ChatGPT to write product descriptions and titles optimized for search. Example: upload 20 niche designs, think dog lovers, gym humor, or teachers, across 3 platforms. If each design earns just $25 a month across platforms, that's $1,500 per month in truly passive income. 2. YouTube automation, faceless channels. Think you need to be on camera to make money on YouTube? Think again. YouTube automation is one of the fastest growing income streams today, and it's built for people who prefer staying off camera. Here's how it works. You pick a niche: finance, history, travel, health, etc. Use AI tools to write your scripts like ChatGPT. Hire or use text-to-speech voiceovers, like 11 Labs or Muff.ai. Pair with B-roll video clips and royalty-free music. Upload to YouTube with a compelling thumbnail and title. Once you're monetized through YouTube ads, you can also make money from affiliate links and sponsorships. No talking. No filming yourself. Just automation. Example: a faceless finance channel posting 3 videos per week with decent views, 10 to 20K each, can bring in $3,000 to $10,000 per month once monetized. And here's the best part: you can run multiple channels with the same strategy once your system is set up. 3. Digital products on Etsy or Gumroad. Digital products are a gold mine, and once you create them, they sell 24/7 without your involvement. You can sell printable planners, budget trackers, workout templates, Instagram story templates, ebooks, affirmations, coloring books, etc. Once listed, a product can be sold over and over again. No shipping, no inventory, and no customer interaction required, aside from rare emails. Platforms to use: Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, Stan Store, which is great for creators. Pro tip: Use Canva to create digital products and AI tools to help brainstorm, design, and write the content. Example: a simple digital planner listed at $7 that sells 10 times a day equals $2,100 per month. Create 5 to 10 digital products and you've built an automated income ecosystem. 4. Medium and Substack writing using AI. Yes, you can make passive income as a writer, even if you're not a writer. Here's how. Medium pays you based on read time and engagement. Substack allows you to build an email newsletter and monetize via subscriptions. Both platforms favor quality, useful content, not necessarily long or technical articles. With AI tools like ChatGPT, you can generate content ideas, structure your posts, and even refine your tone, all while staying behind the scenes. No video, no podcast, just written value. Example: writers earning from Medium's partner program often make $100 to $2,000 plus per month depending on how often they post and the quality of their work. Substack newsletters can grow into 5-figure income streams once you offer paid tiers, especially if your niche is valuable, like personal finance, self-improvement, or productivity. 5. Niche affiliate websites built with AI and SEO. This is one of the most set-it-and-forget-it income streams that can scale silently over time. You build a website around a specific niche: dog grooming, portable solar panels, minimalist home decor, etc. You fill it with helpful blog posts, product reviews, and tutorials, then sprinkle in affiliate links. When people visit your site and buy something through your link, you earn a commission. What makes this hands-off with today's technology is AI. Tools like ChatGPT for writing articles, Jasper for SEO content, Surf for SEO or Phrase for optimization. You don't need to speak, show your face, or sell anything directly. The content and links do the work for you. Example: a niche site with just 30 to 50 solid blog posts can earn $500 to $5,000 per month passively from Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or Impact.com. Add display ads like Ezoic or Mediavine, and your revenue multiplies. Final thought: you don't have to be loud to be profitable. Let me wrap this up like we're chatting over coffee. In this life, there's no excuse left. Whether you're introverted, working full-time, or just tired of talking heads everywhere, there are silent, scalable, and proven ways to build real passive income. And here's the truth no one talks about. You don't have to be seen to be successful. You just have to be strategic. So don't wait for confidence to catch up. Pick one stream. Start small. Automate. Optimize. Multiply. Because the best income isn't just passive, it's peaceful. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have received value from this video, please smash the thumbs up button to give us a like. Want to add a comment? Please do so in the comment section below the video. Until next time, please be safe and may God bless your efforts.